Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox teleport failed error code 769. First, we will clear the Roblox cache. This is the most effective step. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. Then type %local app data % and press enter. A folder will open. Now find the Roblox folder, right-click on it, and delete it. This removes corrupted files. After that, restart your computer and open Roblox again. Next, we will change your DNS settings. Go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Right-click on your active internet connection and click Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and double-click it. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the first box, type 8.8.8.8. In the second box, type 8.8.4.4. Then, click OK and close everything. If the problem is still not fixed, then reinstall Roblox. Open Control Panel, go to Uninstall a program, find Roblox, and uninstall it. After that, go to the official Roblox website, download the latest version, and install it again. After doing these steps, your error should be fixed, and you should be able to join games without any problem. Thanks for watching.